Yeah, there's our musician right there. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, so we're kind of around the lake. What's this one? Oh. Okay, it's right there. It's okay. Pretty cool. I guess they're gonna film something here. So we're just gonna walk around in this. This is basically around the lake. So I'm just gonna turn on the camera from time to time, and I think I'm gonna be walking all the way around it. We'll just kind of see what you see. It's kind of interesting. It's very mellow. And I was just looking at some of the artwork, and it's like it's a photojournalist. Oh, there's more traditional clothing. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that's all for. Huh. Because there were some other ones that were... What is today? Huh. It's cool. This lady has speakers and bags. Huh. Yeah, right. There's also a lot of old guys that are kind of just hanging out, overlooking the water. So I think that's office buildings over there. This is some of the artwork. So this is National Geographic, so I guess it's connected to I saw different artists basically, so they're just showing their work. Like it's not raining. Okay. Okay, so I think we're just gonna keep walking all the way around this lake. And this is more views where people can overlook the lake. So I guess they'll relax in this kind of space. Huh. I hear a musician up here. Lovers. Beautiful trees that hang down over the water. Oh, there we go. There's our musician right there. Selling things. Some nice architecture up here. So we're just gonna basically walk all the way back over to there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.